everyone, welcome to Knowledge Academy channel. Today I will teach you how to make sentence. So let's see what Arjun is asking to Krishna. Hey Krishna, can you teach me formation of sentence? Krishna said, Dear Arjun, let's start our lesson. What is a sentence? An order of words that make sense is called sentence. However, with the rules of grammar in mind, we can say that a sentence is a group of words that has a subject, a verb, and object. Words take on three basic forms in relation to time in the past, present, or future. Now let's see what actually means. In actually, present perfect tense is used to express an action which had just happened or completed at the moment of speaking. Present plus perfect means completion of action in present. In other words, action had just happened. The rule is subject plus has, have, plus third form of the verb plus object. The subject is the person or thing doing something, and object is having something done to it. When we use he, she, it as a subject, we use has with it. And when we use I, you, we and they as a subject, we use have with them. So let's see some examples. I have eaten mango. So here I is subject and with I comes the helping verb have. After that the third form of the verb will come, which is eaten. Then object, which is mango. So sentence is I have eaten mango. So see further sentence like this. I is subject, play is verb, football is object. So sentence is I have played football. The next is here I is subject, sing is verb and song is object. So will the sentence I have sung song. The next is here I is subject, wear is verb and uniform is object. So will the sentence I have worn uniform. The next is here I is subject, brush is verb and teeth is object. So will the sentence I have brushed teeth. The next one is here I is subject, read is verb and book is object. So will the sentence I have read book. The next one is here I is subject, drink is verb and milk is object. So will the sentence I have drunk milk. The next is here I is subject, take is verb and ball is object. So will the sentence I have taken ball. At last, Krishna told Arjun, Dear Arjun, practice this lesson again and again. We will meet again for next lesson. Arjun said, Thank you Krishna. I will perform my duty as a good student. Like Arjun, we should all perform our duties. Thank you.